I have somebody's attention. Look, I think she likes me. I think she likes me. Hello. What's up? What's up? How you doing? How you doing today? Huh? Oh. Oh. Another one. What's up? What's doing it? Oh my god. You got little driblets all over your back of wetness. You're probably freezing to death now. Bless it all. You're like a little frost-coated nun. You're so soft though, it's alright. I'm sure it'll be okay later. I'm sure the sun will still come out there. Somewhere. You want more pets? One's not enough. What? How many must I give you? Is there an infinite supply of pets? Is that what you request from me? You see?